Oh, my God. What is it, Claire? You're on the air. Shit, I wish I hadn't hung up on those guys. I could have listened to that all
Yeah,
day.
I wish you hadn't hung up on them either. Listen, great shows. The live shows are awesome, Howard. Listen, I don't know whether I should talk about Benji or about what I wanted to talk about, which was The Walking Dead.
Yeah, Benji's still
You
out of
called
the
the after
studio.
show.
Claire, by the way,
You called-
Benji is still out of the studio. I'm just giving you an update.
Oh, okay, because I thought you took him out of the actual live studio.
I did. That's what I'm telling you. He's not in the live studio. He's in the other room.
Right. When I say post-Bronc, I mean post-Bronc in the studio, actually in the live studio post-Bronc Stern Show. Howard, why did you and Robin have to make fun of the after show? You called the after show for Walking Dead. Why did you have to sort of, I'm going to not even say rain on people's parade, but shit like diarrhea on everybody's parade? Why did you...
Come on. They were being funny. I mean,
Oh, no.
they were way over the top on that.
Whoa. You were being very cynical. You know what you were being. Come on.
It was funny. They were...
You're taking a heartfelt
All right,
moment.
thank you. Jeff the Drunk, I'm back with you. Yeah. What I was going to say to Claire was that, come on, how could you not laugh at that? They were going over the top.
He wanted all that schmaltz.
Oh, my God. I never heard such a schmaltz. Not smaltz.
What did I say?
We have to work on your Yiddish.
Schmaltz.
Oh, that's it. You got it.